In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money online using Whop clipping in just 5 minutes. Leveraging this online platform can be a great way to start a new income stream by engaging in the vibrant community of content creators. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to sign up as a creator on whop.com. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. It's a fairly straightforward and quick process. Head over to the website and register yourself as a creator. This sets the stage for you to explore various opportunities to earn money through content management and community participation. Once you're all signed up, look to the left panel on your screen and click on the Discover tab. This section is the heart of Whop, allowing you to explore different categories and find where your niche might fit in. Here, you can gain inspiration from existing creators and find various topics of interest. Next, navigate your way to Content Rewards. This is where it gets particularly exciting. The Content Rewards area showcases creators who offer various kinds of incentives, which can include financial rewards, to those who contribute to their communities. By understanding what popular creators are offering, you can position yourself to make the most out of your time and efforts. Now, it's time to choose a popular creator who offers substantial monetary rewards for content contributions. Select someone whose community resonates with you and who you feel enthused about contributing to. Often, the most popular creators have lively communities with diverse opportunities to participate and earn. Click on Clip to officially join the community. By doing so, you're not only lending your voice and participation, but also opening the door to potential earning opportunities where your contributions are both valued and rewarded. It's all about finding the right fit for your skills and interests and the right creator to support. After joining a community, you'll want to click on the Earn tab. Here, you'll find specific opportunities for making money. It's essential to stay informed about these offerings, as they can vary significantly from one creator to another. Pay close attention to the details provided in this section. It's your direct pathway to earning. Lastly, to maximize your earnings, focus on getting a lot of views on the content you share. This may sound simple, but it's a crucial step. The visibility of your content will directly impact your earning potential. Always review the important details provided by the creators to ensure you meet all necessary criteria, such as submitting your post for review within a specified time frame, usually within an hour of publishing. This keeps you eligible for compensation and ensures your efforts are recognized. And there you have it, a quick guide to earning money on Whop clipping. By connecting with the right creators and contributing valuable content, you can start generating income online. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.